You may not believe me, but in this right here, this is a collapsible car, a collapsible folding car that holds up to 220 pounds or also 110 gallons. So this right here, this collapsible folding car that this brand sent to me for the video, it comes with a handle and then it holds that big amount of weight. If you don't trust me, just let me show you this right here. So there are a few things that you can do. You can just expand it like this and push it. Once that is fully pushed right away, believe it or not, it started to rain right away, so I had to stop the video, and this is the next day. So that's why you're gonna see me with different clothes and everything. But what I wanted to say is, like, once that you have this all unfolded, the next thing for you to do is gonna be this right here. Is gonna actually present your hard floor that you're gonna put over here inside of the actual folding wagon. So this is gonna how it's gonna look. And if you don't believe me that this actually supports 230 pounds, check this out. I'm gonna actually get inside. By the way, it's a little bit wet just yet, so probably I'm gonna get my tushy wet, but I don't care. It's just this to show you that I'm actually, take a look. I'm standing right here and I'm 5'10" and I weigh 190 pounds. And you can see that this one, yeah, no issues at all. So it actually supports those 230 pounds, sorry about that, or 110 liters if you ask me. Really nice frame over here. The foldable frame is actually pretty resistant. And also you have the chance to remove this if you need to wash it, like if you get it stained with something when you go to the park, to the beach, to camping, hiking, fishing, you name it, you get stained. You just remove this 4 caps over here on the actual corners and you can actually remove it and wash it. Let's take a closer look in the meantime. So these are the 4 corners that I was telling you before. It also, I do like that comes with this right here. So you can actually use this to fold it. Once that is folded just like this, you can use this ones just to secure it in one single place. And then also it comes with hooks over here to secure some of that things you're gonna need inside. But this one, once that you get it inside, you're gonna see the hard surface and of course the metal frame over here. Another thing that I like is how smooth it is in terms of this. Let me show you. You're gonna see this right here is gonna actually what's gonna support all that weight. Whatever you're pushing or you're dragging, this kind of like shocking absorption device over here, this triangle over here, is the one that's gonna give you that absorption of the weight, and also if you're dragging or pushing. And then take a look at the wheels. You have the locks right here. As you can see over here, you have one lock over there. Now it's locked, so that one won't move. You unlock it right away, starts moving even better. So this thing, I think it's a must-have. And then super easy. Once you're done, you just fold it back. You press here, you press there as well, just right here on the bottom part. And you have all this section over here just for you to fold it back again, put it in vertical position and doing some storage. Of course, I do think that this one, if you like to go out and just camping, hiking, fishing or whatever, this could be the best one for you. Or to go into the grocery store, things like that, this could be also good. I like it. I do recommend it. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.